Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make a spice rub for the ribs, and that's where the ribs are gonna get pretty much all of its flavor. And it's a combination of like salty, spicy. I do put a little bit of sugar in there to help the meat caramelize and to fully balance the flavors. So the first thing you're gonna need to make your rub is smoked paprika, cayenne, black pepper, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, ground coriander, salt, dried thyme, and dried oregano. Okay, so for our spice rub, we're gonna start off with the main ingredient, which is smoked paprika. And the reason why we're using smoked paprika, and it's the main part of this, is it's how we're gonna get our smoky flavor without actually smoking the meat. For a list of all the ingredients and exact measurements, check the description below. So I got my smoked paprika, very important. You want to get smoked sweet paprika, not the spicy one. Now we're going to add our cayenne, because we do want some spice. Black pepper, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder. And what we're doing right now is, after we mix all these dry ingredients together, this is ground cumin, we'll set it aside, but you probably will have extra, which is okay because this will last forever. And if you want to make more ribs, or if you want to sprinkle this on chicken or steak later, it's just a handy thing to have around. Ground coriander, salt, dried thyme leaves, woo, and dried oregano. Okay, and then once we're done with that, all we're doing is we're just whisking to combine, and it really is that easy.